We are on day 49 of this renovation, and it's really starting to get close to the finish line. This is the stage where fixtures are being installed, finishes are going in, and the design is finally starting to come alive. For the overall feel, I wanted to keep the underlayment simple. Where I look to make things pop is in the accents that are coming. I'm using warm, earthy tones that create that spa-like feeling that I'm chasing throughout the whole house. I'm just focused on creating a vibe, a space that feels naturally calm and relaxing, kind of space you don't just walk into, but you want to stay in. You know, a space that carries good energy, a space where everything around you encourages you to slow down, just breathe and feel at ease. Let's talk about the kitchen though. Right now what you're looking at is more of a straight knee bar setup. And miscommunication led these base cabinets to end up facing the dining room instead of the kitchen side. Now technically this is something that can work if it's done the right way, but that wasn't the original plan. And it doesn't give me the feel I'm aiming for. After talking it through with the crew though, we decided to shift gears. The plan now is to build a true island with base cabinets on the kitchen side and then an L-shaped overlay to create a knee bar that will seat 3 to 4 stools comfortably. That change is not only going to give us casual dining, but it'll also help turn that kitchen dining space into more of an open concept. It's going to create a more transitional layout that's going to give it a more natural flow. But that's why it's important to check on your projects. What you think is happening versus what's actually happening can sometimes be totally different things. The best way to avoid this, which is something I skipped, is to bring actual blueprints or some kind of visual, even just a sketch or an inspiration photo so the crew sees exactly what you're looking for. I've worked with this team before and they do know my style, but I'll admit I change things up. Doing the same design over and over gets boring to me, and that probably keeps them on their toes. Good thing is, once we talked through it, everyone understood the desired outcome, and now we're back on track. But at the end of the day, things happen. That's part of a renovation. The key is to communicate, adapt, and keep pushing forward. I'm excited to see this kitchen come together and the whole house, for that matter, and even more excited to show you the final result when it's all done. Stay tuned, because it's only going to get better from here.